Here we will tell you about the current situation of Italy. Italy reports nearly 800 coronavirus deaths in largest daily rise. Death toll leaps by 793 to 4,825, officials say, the largest daily spike in absolute terms since the contagion emerged. The total number of coronavirus cases in Italy rose to 53,578 from a previous 47,021, an increase of 13.9%, the country's civil protection agency said. Italy tightens lockdown as coronavirus deaths mount. Italy closes down all but most essential services, as it tries to control the coronavirus, as global pandemic deepens. Police officers check people's documents in Corsico, northern Italy, to ensure that citizens comply with the stay-at-home orders, amid the national lockdown. Italy ordered all but the most essential businesses to close until April 3, tightening a lockdown against the coronavirus, after nearly 800 people died from COVID-19, the disease caused by the virus. Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte said in a video posted to Facebook, "Only production activities deemed vital for national production will be allowed." But did not go into detail on the proposals to come into force, via emergency decree on Sunday. Italy recorded 793 deaths on Saturday, with France, Spain and Germany also reporting steep rises in confirmed cases and fatalities. Russia send help to Italy. Russian President Vladimir Putin has offered to help Italy to contain the spread of coronavirus. In a phone call with Italian Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte, Putin offered his support in the form of mobile disinfection vehicles, and specialists to help the worst-hit Italian regions, according to the Kremlin. The Russian Defense Ministry said, military transport planes would deliver 8 mobile brigades of military medics, special disinfection vehicles and other medical equipment to Italy starting from Sunday. Nearly 13,000 people around the world have now died from the disease, according to data collected by the Johns Hopkins University in the U.S. More than 304,500 people have been diagnosed with the infection, while nearly 92,000 have recovered. Italy. Coronavirus cases, 53,578. Deaths, 4,825. Recovered, 6,072. Active cases, 42,681, currently infected patients, in mild condition 39,824, 93%. 2,857, 7%, serious or critical 2,857, 7%. Closed cases. Cases which had an outcome, 10,897. Recovered, discharged, 6,072, 56%. Deaths, 4,825, 44%. How corona spread in Italy? COVID-19 was first confirmed to have spread to Italy on the 31st of January 2020, when 2 Chinese tourists in Rome tested positive for the virus. 1 week later, an Italian man repatriated back to Italy from the city of Wuhan, China. Was hospitalized and confirmed as the 3rd case in Italy. A cluster of cases was later detected, starting with 16 confirmed cases in Lombardy on the 21st of February. And 60 additional cases and first deaths on the 22nd of February. By the beginning of March, the virus had spread to all regions of Italy. On the 31st of January, the Italian government suspended all flights to and from China, and declared a state of emergency. In February, 11 municipalities in northern Italy were identified as the centers of the 2 main Italian clusters, and placed under quarantine. The majority of positive cases in other regions traced back to these 2 clusters. On the 8th of March 2020, Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte expanded the quarantine to all of Lombardy, and 14 other northern provinces, and on the following day to all of Italy, placing more than 60 million people in quarantine. On the 11th of March 2020, Conte prohibited nearly all commercial activity except for supermarkets and pharmacies. On the 6th of March 2020, the Italian College of Anesthesia, Analgesia, Resuscitation and Intensive Care (SIAARTI) published medical ethics recommendations regarding triage protocols that might be employed. By the 21st of March, Italy had conducted 233,222 tests for the virus. As of the 20th of March 2020, Italy is the world's center of active coronavirus cases, with 42,681 active cases, more than double the number of active cases of any other country. The total of confirmed cases is 53,578, with 4,825 deaths, and 6,072 recoveries. On the 19th of March, Italy became the country with the highest number of confirmed deaths in the world. Queen Elizabeth, message on Corona. We must all play our part to get through coronavirus pandemic. We are all being advised to change our normal routines and regular patterns of life, for the greater good of the communities we live in, particular way to protect the most vulnerable within them. At times such as these, I am reminded that our nation's history has been forged by people and communities coming together to work as one, concentrating our combined efforts with a focus on the common goal. The Queen issued the statement as she entered self-isolation at Windsor Castle. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe us.